Well, Wally here. Guys, I got something to show you. Bruno, go away. Bruno's stealing all the sticks beside the camera. Guys, this absolute beauty. Beauty and the beast, you might say. A handsome beast at that. This absolute beauty, guys, is the Chris Caine Companion Survival Knife. Let's have a look at it. Yes, guys, so the Chris Caine Companion Knife. What is it, guys? It's a survival tool, basically, okay? It is a mini parang, okay? You see this big belly on it here, all right? Nice big choil for choking up. Okay? Nice. I think it's about 6 mil thick, guys. Okay, big handle, okay, which is multi-position, so you can hold it like this, you can hold it like this, or you can hold it like this, okay? So this is a companion. There is a bigger version of this, okay? So let's put it down on the stump and let's have a look at it in more detail. Okay, so let's look at it, guys. So it is 13 inches long. The blade length is 7.75 inches, okay? And it is 1075 steel. Bruno loves these knife videos because I'm down on the ground. Hiya! Go away! Away with you. Okay, so what is it designed for? Well, it is designed to be an in-between of your 5-inch survival knife and your machete, okay? There is the Chris Caine Survival Knife, which I think is like this, but maybe about this size, okay? So, guys, it is, it's designed to be a do-it-all type knife, okay? So you've got this part here where you can do your fine cutting, this is for your skinning, and it's weighted towards the front for chopping and stuff like that, okay? So, listen, enough of me yakking, let's cut something with it and see how it gets on, okay? Let's cut down a tree. Because I know that's what you're here to see. Right. Okay, so, a couple of different handle positions, alright? So what I'm doing is I'm moving my hand back to give myself more leverage, okay? And this little thing, palm, swell, lamb's foot, whatever you want to call it, guys, just holds my hand in position. I'm hoping to get this that way. It chops really nice, I have to say. Of course, guys, full tang construction. I think we're doing all right. We're doing all right. Okay. Okay, so Whoa! It's definitely going, guys. So this style of knife, let's maybe put this in a different way. I'm not really into big knives, guys, to tell you the truth. But this style of knife, I like. With its big belly and stuff like that, guys. It just makes more sense to me. This tree's going to fall over. That's caught up. Wait. I know you guys will be giving off because you haven't got your timber moment, Pat. Wooly and another siege video, huh? Yes. So we know it performs well at chopping, okay? And why wouldn't it? Look at it, guys. Look, it's you know, look at the design of it. All right. So it does have a sharpened spine up around this area here, okay, and that's up close, and that's for obviously for scraping a ferro rod and stuff like that. All right, and you know, so battening and stuff like that with it as well should be no issue. I do have some spruce here, guys, which is not something I've really battened with before because it's quite tough. But let's see. You know, and that having an extra long handle does give you the option to move your hand back if needs be, which is nice. Seems like I have forgotten how to batten. Now this is where we'll see. Yeah. A bit unorthodox, but it works, unlike my mouth. This stuff is really stringy, that's why I don't really bother with it that much for doing stuff like this, but well, Bruno. Okay. So, I like this knife. I've always liked this knife. I've always liked this style of knife, guys. And the Condor Kukri, or Kukri, Randy was on about my pronunciation of it. Hang on a second, guys. I'm not taking off my pants, don't worry. The sheath. Guys, I would actually prefer this style of knife over the Kukri, okay, to tell you the truth. I just like this. It's better suited to my style, all right? I like the way that the blade is shaped, okay? I like the fact that, you know, if you're holding it like this, your blade is going to make impact, you know, before your knuckles. I know it's not going to ever come to that, but guys, this sheath is unreal, okay? Unreal. Really thick quality leather, very secure fastenings, okay? I don't know who makes it, I don't know anything about it. It came with the knife, guys. These are like hen's teeth, okay? I got this, guy was selling this on Facebook Marketplace. He had it for sale for about 6 months, okay, and I bought it off him for £90, 90 British pounds, okay. Guys, I think these retail at about $260 if you can get them, and it's either blind horse knives or battle horse knives or blind horse battle face knives. I don't know what that company's called anymore, okay, so they make them. So I don't even know if they make them anymore, to tell you the truth. Let's get you guys in closer. So, guys, this knife is really nice for these fine tasks. Okay, it's really nice to do feather sticks with. Just gonna try and move it up the blade a little bit. See how I get on. Guys, there's midges everywhere. I'm getting a head out of me. This thing chops really well. Guys, overall, I like this knife. It is not a knife that I use a lot, but it is a knife that I will always keep in my collection. You know, I think if I was ever to do just a knife overnight challenge again, I think I would probably use this and put some practice in on, put some dirt time in on it first, okay, as opposed to just using the Spyderco like I did the last time, guys. I would recommend this. I would say if you can get your hands on one of these, guys, these are well worth having. They're a lovely knife, lovely, well made. Everything about them is very well crafted. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. It's a lot of distractions out there today. Stay frosty.